Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Arsenal on mobile with a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need a few key items: your mobile device, a Bluetooth keyboard, a Bluetooth mouse, and a USB-C or Lightning hub, depending on your phone. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Fully charge everything to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted gaming session. This setup will transform your mobile gaming experience, giving you the precision of a desktop player right in your hands. Once you have all your equipment, the next step is connecting everything. Plug your USB-C or Lightning hub into your mobile device. Then, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and pair both your keyboard and mouse. It's a straightforward process, usually taking less than 1 minute per device. After pairing, quickly test them out in a simple app like a note-taker to confirm they're working. This ensures you're ready for action before launching Arsenal. Now that your peripherals are connected, it's time to fine-tune your Arsenal experience. Open Roblox, launch Arsenal, and head straight to the in-game settings. The most crucial adjustment is mouse sensitivity. Experiment to find what feels right. Often a value between 0.5 and 2.0 works best for accuracy. Also, check your keybinds. If the default layout isn't ideal, remap them to suit your personal preferences. These small tweaks make a huge difference in your performance. To get the best performance, close any unnecessary background apps on your phone. This frees up valuable processing power and memory, leading to smoother frame rates. A stable Wi-Fi connection is also vital. It significantly reduces lag compared to mobile data. Finally, take some time to practice. Jump into a private server or training mode to get comfortable with your new keyboard and mouse setup. With these tips, you'll be dominating Arsenal in no time, enjoying a truly enhanced mobile gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.